800 million people use ChatGPT every week. They are asking it to recommend services, find solutions, and discover businesses. But here's the uncomfortable truth. ChatGPT has probably never mentioned your company, not even once. And it's not because your business isn't good enough, it's because ChatGPT literally can't see you. Let me show you what's happening right now. By 2027, 90 million Americans will use AI as their primary search method. That's up from just 13 million in 2023. But here's what most business leaders don't realize. AI search works completely different than Google. When someone Googles metal building contractors in Charlotte, Google shows 10 blue links and lets users choose. But when someone asks ChatGPT the same question, it provides a direct answer, picking winners and losers instantly. No second chances, no page 2. And according to recent studies, AI systems convert at 14.2%. That's 5 times higher than traditional Google search at 2.8%. These aren't just curious browsers. These are ready-to-buy customers. So the real question is, will your business be in the AI-generated answer? Here's the technical reality that most business leaders don't understand. When ChatGPT looks at your website, it doesn't browse like a human. It doesn't read your beautiful homepage, copy, or admire your design. It looks for structured data, machine-readable information that explicitly tells it who you are, what you do, and where you operate. This is called schema markup. Think of it as a translation layer between your human-friendly website and AI systems. Without it, your business is essentially invisible to ChatGPT, Cloud, Perplexity, and Google's AI overviews. And the numbers prove it. A recent study by Search Engine Land found something shocking. Only pages with well-implemented schema appears in AI overviews. Pages without schema weren't even indexed. Let that sink in. Not ranked lower, not one page or two, not indexed at all. Meanwhile, ChatGPT now drives 87.4% of all AI referral traffic. If you're not a structure for AI discovery, you're missing the entire wave. Here's what's actually happening. ChatGPT uses 3 different crawlers called OAI Search Bot, ChatGPT User, and ChatGPT Bot to discover and index websites. But here's the catch. These crawlers can execute JavaScript, and 87% of modern JavaScript-heavy sites are completely invisible to them. Plus, ChatGPT routes through Bing in some context, which means you need to be in Bing's index and have proper structured data. So what do you actually need to do? Let me break down the 3-layer approach that forward-thinking companies are using right now. Layer 1, get indexed. First, you need to be discoverable. This means submitting your sitemap to Bing Webmaster Tools, using Index Now to instantly notify search engines when you update content, ensuring your robots.txt doesn't accidentally block AI crawlers. Think of this as opening the door so AI systems can even find you. Layer 2, make it readable. This is where schema markup comes in. You need to implement. Organization schema tells AI who you are, your industry, your credentials. Local business schema, geographic location, service areas, contact information. Service or product schema, explicit details about what you offer. FAQ schema, structured QA that AI systems can refer directly. The format that works best? JSON LD. It's the standard that Google, Bing, and AI systems all understand. Layer 3. The AI native approach. Now, here's the cutting-edge part that most businesses don't know about yet. There's a new proposed standard called LLMS-TXT. It's like a roadmap specifically designed for AI systems. You create a simple markdown file at yoursite.com/LLMS-TXT that provides a brief description of your business, links to your most important pages, context that helps LLMS understand your offerings. Companies like Fast HTML are already using this to great effect. It's not universally adopted yet, but early movers are gaining a serious competitive advantage. Here's why this matters right now. This is the 2025 version of mobile mobile optimization in 2015. 10 years ago, businesses that delay making their websites mobile-friendly lost massive traffic to competitors. The shift happened fast, and companies that wait pay the price. The same thing is happening with AI search, except it's moving even faster this time. Google AI overviews appear in just 6.5% of search in January 2025, spiked to 25% by July, and even though they pulled back to 18% by November. The trend is clear and irreversible. And here's the kicker. ChatGPT isn't just for informational searches anymore. Conversational queries jumped from 8% to 18%. Transactional queries went from 2% to 14%. These are buying signals, and the businesses that show up in these AI responses are closing deals while their competitors don't even get mentioned. So here's the takeaway. AI search doesn't reward the loudest brand, the prettiest website, or the biggest advertising budget. It rewards clarity. If AI systems can't clearly understand who you are, what you do, and where you operate, they won't guess. They will simply skip you. This isn't about gaming algorithms or chasing the next CEO trick. It's about making your business legible to machines in the same way mobile optimization once made it usable for humans. The companies that win in AI search won't be the ones asking, how do we rank? They will be the ones asking, can AI clearly explain our business to someone else? Because in a world where answers replace links, being understood is more important than being found.